What's going on, my good people? Mike Hidalgo here with another tech tip from FCP Euro. Today we're underneath a W211 E63 Mercedes-Benz. And I want to talk to you real quick about where to jack your vehicle up from and what to do if you're missing a jack pad. In my hand, I'm holding the FCP Euro replacement. These are plastic. They have a rubber gasket around them, and they have a big flathead screw in the middle. You're going to want to undo these before you install them so that these 4 clips can press into the body of the car. Then you thread this all the way until it bottoms out with a flathead screwdriver. Again, this FCP Euro replacement is pretty inexpensive, so if you just want to replace your pads or if they're missing, this is a great alternative. Now let's go around the vehicle and show you where you can jack up your E63 from. This is also going to be applicable to your E55 as well as a lot more Mercedes of this era. Under the E63, we're going to have a jack point right on the front of the vehicle. So if you have a long reach jack, you can reach from underneath the front bumper and jack up the front of the vehicle through here. And then on each corner around our side skirts, we're going to have a jack pad just like the one I'm holding. You have one located right here. You can see we're sandwiching it with the jack pad on the lift. One thing to note on these cars is the side skirts are they hang lower than the actual jack pad on the vehicle. So when you're reaching out from the outside with a floor jack, you want to make sure that the pad of the jack is all the way in, just like our jack pad here on the lift, so you don't actually damage your side skirt. And it's like this on all 4 corners. We'll go around and show you that. Step back a little more, but here's the end of that jack pad. Again, they're pretty recessed in there. Here's the edge of our side skirt. So just avoid damaging that. You don't want to push up on the side skirt and risk cracking the plastic. On the back of the vehicle, should you have that same long reach jack, you can also jack from the middle of the subframe here. You don't really want to jack up from the differential. An emergency, could you? Sure. Do I recommend it? No. So that's going to be right here. And then driver's side, same idea. You have another jack pad located right here, again in front of the rear wheel. And we have one more located behind your front wheel as well on the driver's side. Again, all of these are recessed, but otherwise pretty straightforward. Let's get this car on the ground and we'll give you a visual idea of how to jack it up with a regular floor jack. All right, and now back on the ground, my good people, just to demonstrate what the proper placement of the floor jack looks like on our E63 here. When you're putting it in, obviously you want to find where the jack pad is located. It's better to get on the ground, although we just did this, so I know it's right here. This would be improper, as if we continue to jack up like this, we're going to smash our side skirt. So you want to make sure you avoid that. Again, this is very specific to the E55 and the E63, as the side skirts hang lower than the actual jack pad. The correct thing would be to get that in there, and that's what your floor jack should look like. Again, this is going to vary a little bit depending on the type of floor jack that you're using, but just know that if it looks a little bit inboard, that's okay, because we want to protect these side skirts. And again, the main goal of showing you this is that while the floor jack may be different than the one that we're using here today, the idea is that they're going to look a little bit more inboard than normal, just because we want to protect our side skirts. And there you have it, my good people. Another simple tech tip coming at you. I hope this gets you one step closer to your next DIY. If you like this, be sure to subscribe. We make new ones all the time. As always, thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.